much. I give the floor to Libération.
Respected Chairman, we strongly believe in the promotion and protection of human rights and civilian is a duty of its respective government of the world. India is a least border about protecting rights of its indigenous people from Northeast India. Tripura is a tiny state in India and may be the only in the whole world where infiltrators are ruling the native people since 1949. For instance, indigenous people of Tripura are badly affected due to illegal immigrants in all sides. In Tripura, the population of indigenous people has been reduced minority to microscopy from 93% to mere 20% below only 19% in 68 years after the join into Indian Union. And the illegal immigration and the main and primary reason is illegal immigration. Whole of Tripura is all under hold of illegal immigration. Even the chief minister of the state in non-indigenous, non-native and outsider Tripura peoples means Borok's people is going extinct from this world. When the existence itself is under threat, what can we talk about all others' right? Is this juncture? It has been case filed in the Honorable Supreme Court of India with the number of registered 32121 2018 28 August as Tripura People's Front versus Union of India in this regard. Therefore, I request from my heart this council to help in our case, which Section 6 of India Constitution on 19 July 1948. Thank you on behalf of Tripura People's Front.
Thank
and
you.
Gratitude
Thank
for
you.
your
I give
honorable
the floor to Association pour l'intégration et le développement durable au Burundi.